What to disclose as a seller. Hi, I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty in San Jose, California. I am happy to say that after selling a lot of homes, my clients and I have never had a lawsuit for not disclosing. What to disclose is important to understand when selling your home. As a homeowner, you need to disclose anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, or modified, adding fixtures or changing, as it will help you stay out of a litigation. It is essential to go over all the disclosures before putting your home on the multiple listing service or showing your home to a buyer. We want the buyers to have previously reviewed the disclosures before making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer does not back out from things they should have already been aware of. Did you know that in California, there are a large amount of disclosures that needs to be filled out and disclosed? This is a safety net for not only the buyers, but also for the sellers. Anything from whether or not you live in a golf course or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding areas that you know about would have to be disclosed. So if we have painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpet, add new lighting, or fix the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of the most common sayings to my client is, if you have to ask me, then you should disclose it. The answer is almost always going to be yes. Over disclose is better than under disclosing and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about the buyer coming back later wanting to go to court or wanting to extract more money from you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there's an issue with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer will have to prove that you didn't know and kept it from them intentionally to win in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you are thinking about selling, feel free to connect with me. I'm always happy to assist. I'm Mariela Velazquez with eXp Realty, helping you make the right move.